খোকা মাকে সুধায় ডেকে এলাম আমি কোথা থেকে, কোনখানে তুই কুড়িয়ে পেলি আমারে। মা শুনে কয় হেসে কেঁদে, খোকারে তার বুকে বেঁধে, ইচ্ছা হয়েছিলি মনের মাঝারে। ছিলি আমার পুতুল খেলায়, ভোরে শিব পূজার বেলায়, তোরে আমি ভেঙেছি আর গড়েছি, তুই আমার ঠাকুরের সনে ছিলি পূজার সিংহাসনে, তারই পূজায় তোমারে পূজা করেছি। জন্মদিনের আশীর্বাদ আর শুভেচ্ছা নিও, দীর্ঘায়ু কামনা করি। জন্মদিনের পায়েস খাওয়ালাম। রসগোল্লা খাইয়ে মিষ্টি করলাম। তোমার জন্য রইল অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা, আশীর্বাদ, জীবনে অনেক উন্নতি করো।
बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू कृष्णानो, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Krishano, many happy returns of the day. We always wish you good health, lots of peace and lots of prosperity. May God bless you. We always love you. We are always proud of your finest qualities. Once again, God bless you.
Hello Krishano, today is your birthday and I wish you many happy returns of the day. May God give you good health and lots of peace and prosperity. You are our wonderful son and we are ever proud of you. Once again, God bless you.
Hi Krishanu, I have been forced to speak good things about you. So I will speak good things about you because you are a very good person. I wanted to tell you you're an extremely soft spoken, very nice, very gullible person. All kids love you. Angad Mishta are a big fan of yours. And we all love you. And have a great birthday. Enjoy yourself and lots of love.
Hi Masu, happy birthday. I love you. I love you.
Hello Krishanu, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead and many more so to come. What do I say about you? You have been a wonderful person and a wonderful human being, I think. I could spend more time with you and enjoy lovely times together, but I think definitely next time you are here, you definitely should plan more time in Bangalore. Kids love having you around and spending time with you. I'm sure Richu is having a great time and you as a partner. I think once again, many happy returns of the day and have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Crispy. Happy birthday to you.
मेरे आज कुछ स्पेशल है क्या?
हाँ, किसी का बर्थडे है ना? Krishanu, wish you a very happy birthday, Krishanu. I hope you enjoy your day.
So, how did we meet Krishanu the first time?
Let me think. I think it was very bad weather and our car was crushed, almost crushed, under the roof, and there comes this guy and he comes and says, "Oh, it's pretty bad, isn't it?" And I'm thinking, of course it's pretty bad. Really? Okay. So that's how we met him the first time, remember?
Yeah.
And then as the time passed by,
We
found
found out.
that he's just a very genuine person, very smart, very
A
intelligent,
great guy.
great guy. And you don't find guys like these days. Not trying to exaggerate, but that's true. So here's
To
all
Krishanu.
to Krishanu.
Cheers, Krishanu.
Cheers, Krishanu.
You rock. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and enjoy your day and God bless. Take care.
By the way, Krishanu, वो मेरा pen drive है क्या? You know what I'm talking about, right?
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take
That
care.
was a great moment. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday once again.
Hi Krishanu, wishing you a very happy birthday. Both you and Anisha hold a very special place in our hearts. We wish you a lot of success, happiness and good health for the coming year. Happy birthday once again.
Krishanu, you are a special person for us and we wish we were there to celebrate with you. Anyways, happy birthday and a great year ahead.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to dear Krishanu, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Krishanu, may you have a very good and healthy year ahead. We miss you a lot. Enjoy on your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hey Krishanu, wish you a very happy birthday. How are you?
Hey Krishanu, happy birthday to you. I hope this for you is a pleasant surprise.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. So Anisha told us you need to tell us one thing about how we met. I think me and you met through Nikhil, if I'm not wrong. Nikhil तेरे पास भीख मांगने को आया था वो GTA पोजीशन के लिए एंड मेरे को साथ में लेके गया था कि अगर वो ना बोलेगा ना कृषाणु तो तू भी उसके पैर में पड़ जाना. I remember that. But you are such a nice human being, just like you always are. You agreed. बेचारा गरीब निखिल का भला हो गया. So thank you for that. And I think that also reminds me that maybe a few days later, I don't know if you remember, but me and Sherman had a flat tire, and we called you like in the middle of the night. And
At 2 o'clock?
Yeah, it was like 2 o'clock, and you very generously came, and you changed helped me change a tire. First time in my life, I had no idea what you were doing. Honestly, I didn't even know if you knew how to do it, but you didn't show any signs that you did not know, and just like you figure out everything else so smartly, you figure out that problem, and I think that's where we bonded really well, and over a flat tire, and since then I think we've shared some wonderful moments. We really miss you guys, you and Anisha. I think you guys are one of the most beautiful and most amazing couples, and abhi bhi meko gali padti hai whenever Sherman talks about you standing for 6 hours in the plane, or I think it was 8 hours.
8 hours.
I don't think anybody can do that but you. So you hats off to you, AA Captain, salute to you. I think I've spoken enough, but wish you all the best. Good luck and very very happy birthday to you.
Okay, my turn. I know he said too many things, too many good things. Of course, you deserve all of them. But I just want to say, I and you have not lived together like your other UTA friends. But I've heard, and the little time that I've known you, you have been a very nice person, a very funny, very charming person, and I wish you'd always stay the same. I admire your love for Anisha, and I hope you two as a couple grow and have lots of success. And we love you a lot and hope to see you soon. You probably know that we're moving to Dallas, so it's not going to be as far as Austin. So hope to see you very, very soon.
And for all the other friends who are watching this video along with Krishanu, please मेरे तरफ से निखिल आदि हम सब की तरफ से जोरदार बर्थडे बम्स ना एकदम टेबल लेवल पे चढ़ के ना जंप वंप मार के, क्योंकि कृष्णानु ने बहुत मारा है सब लोग को, हम भी बहुत मारेंगे उसको. So please मेरा बदला ले लेना. Thank you so much.
Hi Krishanu, many happy returns of the day. I hope you had a wonderful day today and enjoying a surprise party. I'm very sure Anisha did a very good job at organizing the surprise party, and I hope she surprised you with this. So remembering back our old times, I remember that 2007 August when first time I met you in the lab with Dr. Shiakulis and you offered me a cup of tea. Since then, it has been an amazing journey with you, Krishanu, and we really have enjoyed each and every bit of it with you guys. Anisha, Krishanu, we really miss you guys. We really love you, Krishanu. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Krishanu, happy birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day and loads of successes and happiness in your coming years. And I really wanted, actually both of us really wanted to make it to Ohio this time and surprise you, but it didn't happen. But yeah, we'll definitely meet soon and miss you guys a lot. Miss you much more than you can even think of it. Yeah, and love you both. Bye bye, take care, happy birthday once again, enjoy, and great job with the party, Anisha. I know you would have rocked it totally.
Happy birthday, Kaka.
Hi Dada, I hope you're enjoying watching the censored versions of the videos. Yeah, of course, Bodhi made me censor all the, not so good things said about you. Well, I think in all the videos till now, a lot has been said about Krishanu and his college life and his life in the States. Well, I think there's very little being said about the younger and naughtier Krishanu. And I think let me just complete the picture a little bit for everyone. Well, Krishanu, as you know and your friends should know, you weren't that much of a saint, and troubling me as your little brother was your favorite time pass. And one of the few vivid memories that I carry from our childhood is about chess. Does that ring a bell? Of course. Yeah, so Krishanu was the one who taught me how to play chess. And because he was the one who taught me things in his own way. So whenever I would be winning, well, hold on, there would always be a new rule that comes in and specially made by Krishanu for him to win the game. Another thing that I remember is this incident with the big dead rat. Do you remember that? Well, at that time I was this guy who used to be very scared of rats. And there was this big rat that was once killed in our house. And so our friend Krishanu had a brilliant idea. I was at the study table trying to complete my stuff, and suddenly I heard a tap on my shoulder. And well, there was Krishanu standing with the big rat right in front of my face. Oh my god, I started running out of the house and he followed me till the end of the compound. One more thing that I remember quite distinctly was Krishanu's favorite way of troubling me, and that was with the blanket. Oh my god. So Krishanu was this guy who used to get up early in the morning to study, and I would usually be sleeping at that time. So what better way to trouble me than to come and pull my blanket away? And this was Krishanu, and he did this almost every day. Come to my room and slowly pull away my blanket. Well, I have one more thing here to remind you a little bit of your childhood. For all those guys who don't know, Krishanu was an aeroplane freak. He would buy anything and everything related to aircrafts. And he had this really interesting hobby of buying small aircraft models and building them all together. Well, he did have an amazing collection. These are the incidents which I cherish, and these are the incidents which have helped us bond over the years. I would like to sum up our relationship in 8 lines that I've written for you, and it goes like, little dreams we've built like castles of sand, been through difficult times hand in hand. So secure I feel with your care. Most special is this bond that we share. You are my inspiration, you are my guide. There you stand with arms open wide. It's just a wonderful feeling to have you by my side. Although now we are oceans apart, brother, you dwell in the most special corner of my heart. Well, to say that I love you would be an understatement. I'm just proud to have you as my elder brother. And as the Germans would say, zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Krishanu, wish you a very happy birthday. Like you can see, I'm sitting in the car because I get very little time away from you to record a video for you. So this is probably the best place so far. Anyhow, I'd like to wish you a very happy birthday. I can't talk enough of good things about you because you're a great person. I mean, yeah, everybody is good, but then you're different because you have a very important quality of keeping relationships after personal emotions. So I think for you, relationships don't matter as much as any person's emotions do. So I think that's a great quality and very rare to find. So I don't know, I mean, we've seen our ups and downs, we've seen good days, we've seen bad days, and we've seen very good days as well. So I have loved this inner journey, I have loved this with you. So I think we have a long way to go. It's going to be a great relationship. I hope you enjoy your day and many more birthdays with me. And I'd really love to grow old with you, love to spend all my memories, good times with you. And yeah, I really don't know what else to say, just that you're such a wonderful person, a great husband, an outstanding son, and an amazing brother. And of course, a great Masu, a very funny Masu. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday again. And enjoy your day, the rest of the day of course. And I hope you like this surprise, and I hope you enjoy every minute of this surprise, because we have to get out of here at 5 o'clock meeting, okay? So anyways, have a wonderful day, enjoy yourself, and I love you.
Krishanu, this is my dedication to you. And I hope this song reminds you of our courtship days, our dating times, and a few of the incidents, and I hope you will remember those. So anyways, this is my dedication to you, and I love you so much. I cannot even express myself right now, but the fact that I'm singing this song for you, I hope you like it, and of course you'll remember something, definitely. Here you go. बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। Don't blush. I know you are. जानम है जिंदगी अधूरी। तेरे ही दम से होंगी दिल की मुराद पूरी। तेरे बगैर जानम है जिंदगी अधूरी। ए मेरी हंसी अब न जा कहीं, आ मेरी जिंदगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। ये जान कर बलम जी थामी है तेरी बाहें, सहनी पड़ेगी सबकी कांटों भरी निगाहें। ये जान कर बलम जी थामी है तेरी बाहें, सहनी पड़ेगी सबकी कांटों भरी निगाहें। सब सहेंगे हम और हंसेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। हो आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। मौसम गुलाम अपना, शबनम ने लिख दिया है फूलों पे नाम अपना। तुम हो मेरे तो अब है मौसम गुलाम अपना, शबनम ने लिख दिया है फूलों पे नाम अपना। सुन हवा यही गीत गा रही, आ मेरी जिंदगी। आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। बिन तेरे सनम मर मिटेंगे हम, आ मेरी जिंदगी। आना ही पड़ा सजना, जालिम है दिल की लगी।